ones. So first one is log base 5 of x equals 2. Notice the x is in the argument to the logarithm. I'm going to use that upward arrow we've talked about in class to get this as an equation of 5 to the power of negative 2 equals to x. Notice the x is already isolated, so the answer is 5 to the power of negative 2. For politeness sake, I might call this 1 over 25 and say that x equals 1 over 25, because that looks a little bit more simplified to me. Okay. On the right, we have log base 3 of 27. If you already know how to evaluate a log, you might be able to do this one easily in your head. But assuming you're not sure, or you just want to be more confident and check maybe, let's do that upward arrow and we get 3 to the power of x equals 27. So can you think of any powers that you can put on 3 that would give you 27? Well, 3 squared is 9, but 3 cubed would be 27. So that means that x is equal to 3. This can also be done by now taking in a logarithm of both sides, maybe an ln or an log, and then making a ratio to cancel out. Okay, last example for you to try on your own. This time the x is on the right. Can you guess what we're going to do on the next slide? Try these ones. These ones have x's both in the bottom. So assuming you paused the video and tried this out on your own, let's see what we're getting here. When we do the log base x of 49 equals 2, we're going to go with the upward arrow to say x squared equals 49. And then to isolate the x, we're going to square root and get x equals 7. So 7 is a solution to this problem, right? X is a solution that would work for this problem. On the right hand side, same idea. X to the power of negative 2 is supposed to be equal to 1/9. Since it's x to the negative 2, that would mean 1 over x squared equals 1 over 9. So let's set the denominators equal to each other and notice that x squared should be equal to 9. And so what is a possible solution of this? One of the square roots of x, or sorry, one of the square roots of 9 would be 3. So x equals 3 is a solution to this logarithm.